Hi, this is Tim. I'm the marketing supervisor at Kinan, and this is Alex. Hi, Alex. Thanks for joining today.
Thank you so much. How are you today?
Okay. Alex recently came across the term KVM while trying to figure out how to use multiple computer setups with just one monitor, one keyboard, and a mouse, or instantly switch between these computers from time to time without any hassle. Then Alex found Kinan on the internet and decided to reach us out. So, to learn more about KVM. So, Alex, what would you like to know about KVM?
Okay, so what exactly is KVM?
KVM is an abbreviation that stands for Keyboard, Video, and Mouse, an electronic device that holds signals of multiple computing devices, such as computers, gaming consoles, servers, or other equipment, allowing users to facilitate the signals of these connected devices with ease through a single set of peripherals.
Great. And what is a KVM switch and how does it benefit users?
A KVM switch is a hardware device that allows you to control multiple computers by using a single set of keyboard and mouse and a monitor. This is what a regular KVM switch looks like. As you can see, there are connecting ports on the front panel, and there are connecting ports on the rear panel. You simply connect your computers to these two ports on the rear panel, your monitor and peripherals to the front panel. And now you can easily switch between these devices. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Okay, so how does a KVM switch benefit users?
The benefits are very obvious when there is not enough space on your desk to place more than one monitor and a set of keyboard and mouse. You don't need to equip every computer with a keyboard, monitor, and mouse, which can save costs for additional peripherals. If you have like hundreds or thousands of servers, for example, a KVM device can help you set up a centralized management system to simplify the workflows. The work efficiency can be improved greatly. Yeah.
Okay, and where are KVM switches used?
They are very useful in scenarios such as data centers, offices, or home setups, where space is very limited or if efficiency is essential. They support additional USB devices, which makes them an ideal solution for IT professionals and gamers. Yeah.
All right. And what should I consider when selecting a KVM switch?
And there are two key factors that you need to consider when choosing a KVM switch. One is the type of interfaces, and the other one is the number of interfaces. KVM switches come with different interfaces, such as VGA, DVI, DisplayPort, and HDMI. Before getting one, you should consider the interface types of your computers and the switch. The number of ports will decide how many computers you can connect to. In addition, video support, USB support, switching mechanism, EDID emulation, audio support, and compatibility are other important factors you should consider, which will be covered in another video. Yeah.
Okay. And do I need to install any software when I use KVM switches?
No, you don't need to install any software. You can easily control the connected computers or servers via on-screen display menu, or simply press the switch button here on the front panel. And you can also use keyboard shortcuts to switch between different computers that you've connected to. Yeah.
Okay. And how many computers can a KVM switch support?
Well, it depends on the number of interfaces on your KVM switch. As you can see, this one has two display ports on the rear panel. So that means you can connect two computers to this display port in. Yeah, and there's one port, and this one allows you to connect up to two computers at the same time.
Right.
Take this one for example. This one has 8 connecting ports on the rear panel. So that means if you have this KVM switch, you can connect up to 8 computers at the same time. And you can press the switch button here. And now you can easily switch between the computers you have connected to it. Each button indicates each port on the rear panel. Mm-hmm.
Right.
So that means if you have like a 32-port KVM switch, you can connect up to 32 computers. Of course, you can control more than 32 computers by daisy chain or cascading connection, which we will talk about that in another video. Yeah.
Okay, of course. And how about the compatibility of KVM switches?
Yeah. Kinan KVM switches are compatible with operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Unix, Sun, Linux. They also support servers like Lenovo, Huawei, HP, IBM, Cisco, and Dell, etc. Yeah.
Right. And also, what is a KVM extender?
A KVM extender is a device that allows you to control a computer from a remote place by extending the signals over a long distance. KVM extender consists of a transmitter for sending the signals from the connected computer and a receiver for accepting these signals. Yeah.
So can you tell me how does a KVM extender work?
As mentioned before, a KVM extender comes with a pair, a transmitter, and a receiver. And this is what a regular KVM extender looks like. As you can see, there is a device called transmitter, and this device is called receiver. So basically, you connect your computers to the transmitter for sending the signals, and connect your console, like your monitor, your keyboard and mouse, to the receiver, and for receiving the signals. And now you can, and after that, we connect these two devices with a coax cable or a fiber optic cable, overcoming the distance limitations of regular USB HDMI cables. Yeah.
Okay. And where are KVM extenders used?
They're usually employed in various settings where remote access to computers or servers is needed, such as data centers, broadcast studios, or industrial automation, where computers need to be stored in a secure or isolated environment, while users control them from a more convenient location. Yeah.
All right. And are they easy to use? For example, can I install them myself?
Yeah,
I don't know so much about tech.
Yeah, certainly. You can easily install them by simply connecting the ports of the KVM devices without any professional knowledge. If you need help with configuring more complicated KVM matrix systems, feel free to contact Kinan at any time. Yeah.
Right. And how far can a KVM extender transmit signals?
The transmission distance of a KVM extender depends on the technology used. It comes down to proprietary interfaces a KVM extender support. For example, Ethernet extenders support 100 meters over coax cables, yet fiber optic extenders support up to 80 kilometers with near zero latency. If you want to choose one for data centers or industrial sites, for example, fiber optic extenders are definitely your best choice. Yeah.
Okay, and you take 80 kilometers, right?
Yeah, 80 kilometers when you connect your computers and with a KVM extender that supports fiber optics. Yeah.
Okay, so if it's 80, like how would long distance KVM extenders cause latency?
Well, long distance fiber optic extenders do cause signal latency. The delay is virtually negligible. This makes them fully capable of meeting the stringent real-time requirements of mission-critical applications such as surgical, navigation, or competitive gaming.
Okay. And what are the benefits of using KVM extenders in controlled rooms?
With KVM extenders, operators can easily control and manage multiple servers from one workstation, reducing physical movement between devices, improving work efficiency. They can maintain the signal integrity and support high-resolution video for detailed monitoring. In addition, they can achieve space and cable optimization, eliminating the clutters of your workplace. The heat-generating servers are relocated from control rooms, which can save you cooling costs.
Okay. And can I use KVM switches and KVM extenders together?
Yeah, absolutely. KVM switches and extenders can be used together to create a flexible, long-distance, multi-device control system. The KVM switch connects multiple computers to a single set of keyboard, a mouse, monitor, while the extenders transmit those KVM signals over long distances. This KVM system is ideal for scenarios like data center management, where administrators need to control both local and remote machines from a central workstation. This combination provides seamless control for both local and remote systems without sacrificing any performance. Yeah. And
Right. All right. That's it. I mean, no more questions. I can, of course, reach you out later if I have any other questions. Thank you so much for your answers.
yeah, thank you. And that's all for today. In the next video or episode, we'll be talking about IP KVM matrix, a more complex KVM systems configuration based on the combined employment of KVM switches and KVM extenders, which enables users to accomplish more difficult tasks. Stay tuned.
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.